Now that we've covered the customer or app-facing side of data logging, we're going to go through how that's looked at online via the Technician Portal. We're logged in. Up here at the top we have new logs selected. So we're going to see a little blue dot indicating that there's a new log that's been shared. Click on that customer, go to Vehicles, and we scroll down until we see that blue dot. Click on the blue dot. Go over here to Data Logs. We have this data log that's named by the customer, what date it was shared. Click on that. Here we have our PID data. So across the top, we can see all of the PIDs that were saved or recorded. We can select those PIDs, deselect PIDs, have multiple PIDs shown on the screen here. Down here at the bottom, this is where we would start our playback, stop our playback. We can change the playback speed from 0.25 up to 4 times. We also have zoom. Zoom is going to allow us to get down closer into the data. As we scroll back out, you can see all the peaks and valleys as we select a spot and then zoom in on that spot. We're going to see more detailed info on that. Also, if we hover over entities, we can see what the PID is, what time it's at, and what the PID is indicating. We also can go over here. There's bookmarks that are shared by the customer. So potentially this customer was having a surge at this time stamp. We can also look at what DTCs were there to start and to end. And then we can see the info, what this data log's name is, the customer, the vehicle. We can also download that in a CSV format. The data logging is another really effective tool for technicians to be able to identify issues, recommend fixes, or potentially change those via a calibration update. We appreciate you stopping by. Check us out for more helpful overviews in the future.